Getting the index of a row in a pandas apply function. I am trying to access the index of a row in a function applied across an entire data frame in pandas. I have something like this. And I'll define a function that access elements with a given row. I can apply it like so. Awesome. Now what if I want to incorporate the index into my function? The index of any given row in this data frame before adding d would be index UA, UB, UC, UD, dtype equals object, but I want the 0 and 1. So I can't just access row.index. I know I could create a temporary column in the table where I store the index, but I'm wondering if it is stored in the row object somewhere.
To access the index, in this case you access the name attribute. Note that if this is really what you are trying to do, that the following works and is much faster. Edit. Looking at this question 3+ years later, you could just do But assuming it isn't as trivial as this, whatever your row func is really doing, you should look to use the vectorized functions, and then use them against the df index. Either 1. With row.name inside the apply ... axis equals 1, call. 2. With iteros, slower. Dataframe.iteros allows you to iterate over rows, and access their index.
To answer the original question, yes, you can access the index value of a row in apply. It is available under the key name and requires that you specify axis equals 1, because the lambda processes the columns of a row and not the rows of a column. Working example, pandas 0.23.4.
Thank you.